Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see basics of Android. So I am Anbarasu Android developer. Agenda for the today session is we are going to discuss about what is Android, why Android is important, and what are all the advantages of Android, and who is this course for, and who all will get benefit from this course. And if you are interested in developing Android application, what are the requirements you want to become an Android developer. So in this video, all these topics we are going to discuss. Without wasting much time, just jump into the course. So first, what is Android? So Android is open source Linux based operating system. This is owned by Google. And what means open source? Open source means like this source code for Android OS is free of cost, and if you want to download the entire Android OS, you can download it online. And if you want to make any customization, any updates on that Android OS, you can create your you can apply your customization, you can create your own custom made Android OS that is yours. So everyone is saying like this is Android OS, but this is not true. So internally Android is running on top of Linux. So the truth is like in your Android device Linux OS is running, on top of that Android is running. So when people are saying like it is an Android OS, internally it is a Linux OS. And this OS was released by Google. The beta version was 2007 they released, and the official release was 2008 they have released. And initially when they were released Android OS, right, they target only mobiles and tablets, but things are changing. Android is evolving more and more. Nowadays we have Android Auto, Android TV, smartwatches, everywhere we have Android. So this is the first device. HTC Dream was the first commercially released Android mobile. It was released in 2008 by Google and along with some Open Handset Alliance. And the competitor for Android is iOS. When they were releasing Android OS, though, we have lots of competitor at the time, like Android Symbian OS, Samsung Bada OS. Lots of OS was there in 2007-18 period, but over the time, right, they disappear, and the only competitor for Android now is iOS. So let's discuss about why Android is important. Like in day-to-day life we have we are using Android mobile for lots of important calls, videos, and music, to learn, to watch videos, to play games. So lots and lots of features are there in Android device. So like some of the features I'm listing out here. So along with that, like when you're starting your day with your Android alarm, and if you want tiffin, if you want breakfast, you can order food online. If you're going to office, you can book cab online. If you're not feeling well, you can um, schedule a call with your doctor online. You can buy tablets, pharmacy, you can buy everything what you want online. And like, so if you're getting bored, you can play games. So Android is evolving more and more because of this internet connectivity. You can connect to friends online, you can be online all the time, and you can connect to your friend around the world. So these are the important features of Android. So that is why Android is very important. Let's go to the next section. What the advantages we have in Android OS? Like advantages is different for different kinds of user. Like if you are a developer, you can have some kind of advantages. If you are running a software company that is developing an Android application, they are having their own advantages. Or if you are having an idea to create an Android application, to want to become a product owner, so you can have some advantages. So from different perspective, right, you have a different advantages. Example, like consider a developer point of view. This is very easy to learn. Android development is very easy because this is based on a famous programming language called Java and Kotlin. If you're having a knowledge on these two languages, simply you can learn Android. So there's a main advantage. And like if we are developing an application, if you are facing any bugs and issues, and at the time you can talk to people's online, because Android is having a large community, and if you're facing any issues you can post it online and other community members will reply to your message and can fix your bug very easily. So this is another advantage. And like this, I already told you, this is open source SDK. So Android OS is free of cost, so you can download Android OS and you can do your customization, you can create apps whatever you want. So this free of cost, so you need to pay for anything. So these all for developers. And consider if you're having a software company, and the advantages for software company is different. Like it is open source, so company no need to pay anything to download the relevant software, relevant SDK for Android application development. So everything is free of cost, they can download and create application very easily. When it comes to recruiting a people, right, Android developer, so finding Android developer is very easy, because in the world, right, out of 5 users, 4 users are using Android mobiles. So same like developer, out of 5 developer, 4 developers are undeveloped. So if you wanted to recruit any Android people, so it is very easy. And because of that, developer cost is very less, and we can target more customer. As I already told you, out of 5 users, 4 users are using Android mobile. If you're creating an application for Android, so we can target more customer. So this is the really great advantage of software company. And when it comes to your product owner, so they are also having different kinds of advantages. So budget for creating Android application is very low when compared to iOS application. Like from product owner perspective, right, cost is really important in creating apps. So when creating an iOS Android application, so the cost of creating Android application is very less. So along with that, in the market we have lots and lots of Android customers, so we can target more customers. And this Android is having a large community, and lots of tutorials are there in the market, so you can learn and development your you can complete your development on time. And who this course is for, and so in this section we'll discuss overall we'll get benefit out of this course. First one is like college students, and if you are a college student, you have completed your degree, you're looking for job, so selecting an Android platform is the right path for you, because as I told you already, Android is evolving more and more. Last 10 to 14 years, like Android coming up with lots of devices. At first they initially released Android OS for mobiles and tablets, and over the time they have released Android for TVs and smartwatches. Now Android is entered into Android auto and automobiles and all. So Android is growing like a big industry. So if you wanted to get into Android development job, this is the right time for college students. So learn something about Android application development, and you can get your job. And for freelancer, if you wanted to develop application for part time, you can learn Android application development using this course. And apart from that, like the main thing is a passion to learn. If you're having interested to learn creating Android application, that's the first thing, right? Instead of concentrating on more and more on different things, if you're having it's not about specific people to learn Android, it's all about interest. If you're having more interest in creating Android application, you can create your apps, because in this video we will cover more about Android application development. So let's watch this course continuously, and you can learn how to create Android application over time. And if you want to become an Android application developer, right, what you should do, what and all you should have, like these are some mandatory things. Like if you have a computer with a Mac, Linux, or a Windows OS, that is recommended for developing Android application. And some basics of computer programming you need, and better if you have a knowledge on Android and Kotlin programming. And same like we have passion in creating Android apps, we can create it very easily. That's all about this video, guys, and we will quickly see what are the summaries we have discussed and what is Android. Android is open source Linux based operating system released by Google, and why it is important. Android is growing day by day, and in nowadays life, right, everyone is a Android mobile, is for playing games, sending a mail, doing some office work at home. So lots and lots of features are there in the Android device. So that is why Android is important. So advantages of Android and who this course is for, and requirement to become an Android developer. So like if you want to become an Android developer, you just want to have one laptop and a small computer knowledge program. Better if you have Java and Kotlin programming knowledge, and you'll be ready to learn Android. Yeah, that's all about this video. Let's meet in the next session, guys. Thank you.